Hey y'all, and welcome back to Designs by Gaddis. While you're here, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. This will help my channel to grow, and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching. Sorry guys, but I somehow lost the footage for the beginning of this video. But what I'm using is a hurricane vase from Dollar Tree and some Rust-Oleum copper paint to make this beautiful vase, which can be used in a variety of ways. Today I'm going to use it as a piece of fall decor. Okay, so our paint has dried on our vase, so now we're going to remove the paper. See, I've got a few little bad places, but that's fine, because what we're going to do next is I'm going to put a little piece of lace around here, and that way it'll cover up these little places. Now, I actually got this lace from Dollar Tree yesterday. Got to cut it just a little bit longer than it actually needs to be. And then I'm going to put a tad of hot glue on this end. Okay, and when you get it glued down, this is what you have. So next we're going to put some fall flowers in this so you can see how pretty it can be. Okay, so all these florals I also got at Dollar Tree. This is my bag of sticks that I had picked up at Dollar Tree. I just mixed them all together and put them in one bag. I'm going to put a few of these just in the bottom. Okay, so I put the sticks in here just to add some volume, so I can add some Spanish moss to it without having to use all Spanish moss. Okay, and I did get this at Dollar Tree also. So now we're going to start putting our flowers in. And I finally found some of these cattails, and I just absolutely love these. I think they are so cute. I'm going to add some of these. And of course they only had one pack at my Dollar Tree. Also going to put one of these cute little fall bows on here. This I also got at Dollar Tree. I just think it'll give it a little bit more of a fall look. So I'm just going to put a small dab here on the back, because that way I can take it off, and I can also do something for other holidays with this vase. And this is my finished